Have you ever wondered how WhatsApp mini bots are made? Welcome to Malvin King Tech. Today, I'll walk you through creating your very own mini bot, just like Suho Lite, Alia Mini, Malvin Mini, Star Mini, and Sub-Zero Mini that you see here. If you're new here, subscribe for more hands-on tech tutorials, and let's dive right in. These bots, Suho Lite, Alia Mini, Malvin Mini, Sub-Zero Mini, all work on similar principles. They connect via WhatsApp web and automate replies. And the good news? You can build one yourself. We'll start by setting up a GitHub account. If you don't have one, the sign-up tutorial link is in the description. It's free. Once you're done creating your account and logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, we go to repositories. Click New Repository. I'm naming mine Freesk Mini, but you can choose any name. Add a short description so you remember what this project is about. For now, I'm setting this as private. We'll make it public later once everything is ready. Then click Create Repository. Great! Your bot's home is now ready on GitHub. In the coming steps, we'll upload code, set up automation, and connect it to WhatsApp. I'll be sharing all the step-by-step files and code in my Telegram channel so you can follow along exactly. Make sure you're subscribed there for the resources. Pay close attention in the next part. We'll be moving into the actual bot setup, and I'll explain each file and what it does. If you're ready to build, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's start coding your own WhatsApp mini bot.